Now this is the last paragraph of the think outside the box metaphor, and I'm going to highlight a little bit more that was going on. Notice this paragraph seems to be setting up the reader for another kind of interpretation. So even notice things like the keywords, like now, imagine a person inside a box and another person outside it. So it's really kind of using keywords to signpost and let us know it's coming. We also see that the next sentence, the two would have very different views, but it's the view from outside that isn't necessarily better. So there's this kind of discussion of, okay, so you've got these two people. Now what about these two people? Again, it shows this kind of complex discussion. Okay. In purple, we have this next section, which discussion, the best understanding of the box is then to think inside and outside. Maybe a better metaphor is etc., etc. Look at this, or better yet, maybe one should do this. Again, this discussion shows complexity and deep thinking about the issue. So what stands out to me about this particular analysis is that it's insightful and it provides a new perspective. Especially when I say a new perspective, it's this thing about, or better yet, why don't we just use it? We need a better metaphor. Like there's actually a problem with the metaphor. It's presenting something totally new to think about. So we like to think about this as risk-taking, and that with risk-taking, you're doing something a little bit new. And you're saying to the reader, hey, how about this idea? This is new. What do you think? So it's also providing kind of a new, the interpretation is also providing an argument of its own. And so there you have it. This was an example of a pretty awesome analysis, especially because it was our first go this quarter. So sure, there's some stuff that could be worked out and that the author might want to think through, but I want to show you what it's doing well, just so you get an example of that. I hope this was helpful.